Okay, let's look at the question here. WASSCE November 2023, question 12a. The probabilities that 3 teachers, Awuku, Efuma, and Tasha will pass a promotion interview are 1/2, 3/4, and X respectively. If the probability that all the 3 teachers failed the interview is 1/12, find I the value of S. I probability that only one of them passed the interview. All right. So we are giving the probabilities of these 3. So maybe one. Let's say that let Awuku be A, Efuma E, and the other one Tasha. Okay, Tasha is T. So we are giving the probability of all of them passing the interview as 1/2, 3/4, and X. And the probability that we are giving in the question is 1/2. And the 1/2 is that all the 3 of them will fail. So all the 3 of them fail. The probability is 1/2. And we are supposed to use that to find the value of S. So the probability of Awuku passing the interview is what? 1/2. It means that probability of Awuku failing will be 1 minus 1/2, which will be 1/2. All right. And probability of Efuma passing is 3/4. It means that probability of Efuma failing will be 1 minus 3/4, which is 1/4. All right. And probability of Tasha passing is X. It means the probability of Tasha failing is 1 minus X. Okay, so now we have gotten all our probabilities. All right. So we are going to find the probability that all the 3 teachers are going to fail, and we equate it to what? 1/12. Okay. So probability of all the 3 teachers failing, meaning that Awuku will fail, and Efuma will fail, and Tasha will also fail. We find the probability of all the 3 failing. It will be equal to what? The 1/12. So probability of all failing, okay, we know is equal to the 1/12. That means probability of Awuku failing times probability of Efuma failing times probability of Tasha also failing. That is what is equal to the 1/what? The 1/12. This is the probability that all the 3 will fail. If the problem all the 3 teachers will fail, it means that Awuku will fail, Efuma will fail, and Tasha will fail. That is all the 3 will fail. And that will give us the 1/12. Is that okay? So what is the probability that Awuku will fail? Awuku will fail is 1/2. So 1/2 times probability that Efuma will fail is 1/4 times probability that Tasha will fail is what? Is also 1 minus X. All right. So it's also 1 minus X. And that will give us a 1/12. All right. So the probability that all the 3 will fail is Awuku will fail, Efuma will fail, and then Tasha will fail, and that will give us the 1/12. And this is the probability that all the 3 are going to what? Are going to fail. So let me multiply these 2 and then multiply by the 1 minus S. So 1 times 1 give me 1, 2, 4, 8. You multiply by 1 minus X, and that will give me the 1/12. Okay. So let me do the multiplication, and then we will finally come and get our answer. All right. So 1 times 1 will give me 1. 1 times S minus X all over 8. And that will be equal to 1/12. Okay. Cross and multiply. All right. So since we have a single fraction, we are going to cross and multiply. Okay. So that we can get our answer. So 12 is going to multiply, or 12 will multiply 1 minus X equal to 8 will multiply 1. 12 times X. 12 times 1 will give me 12. 12 times minus 1 will give me minus 12x equal to 8. Let me bring the s at one side and then 12. So 12 minus 8 equal to 12x. 12 minus 8 will give me 4 equal to 12x. So x is going to be what? We divide through by 12. That will be 4 on 12. And what is 12? 4 on 12. 4 on 12 will give me 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 3. 1 over 3. So my x is 1 over 3. So the x is 1 over 3. Alright, so that is our x. So we have been able to find the value of x. Alright. Then the next question, find the probability that only one of them pass the interview. Okay, only one of them. So probability of only one person the interview. Only one person. If only one is passing, then it means that what? It means that if only one of them pass, Auku will pass and the two of them will fail. Or if Former will pass and these two will fail. Or Tesha will pass and these two will fail. Only one. Okay. So if only one, then that's the probability of Auku passing and if Former not passing and then Tesha not passing. Or probability of Auku will not pass and then if Former will pass and then Tesha will fail. Or probability of Auku will not pass and then if Former will not pass and then Tesha will pass. Alright. That is the probability of only one of them passing. Okay, only one. So here you can see only Auku is passing. Here only if Former is passing, and here only Tesha is passing. So if only one of them will pass, then Auku passing is what? 1 on 2 times if Former not passing, 1 on 4 times Tesha also not passing. Okay, what did we get for the Tesha? We had 1 over 3. So 1 minus 1 over 3 will give us what? So by Tesha not passing, that is 1 minus 1 over 3, and that will give us 2 on 3. Okay, so Tesha not passing is 2 on 3. Or probability that Auku will not pass, that is 1 over 2 times probability that if Former will pass, that is 3 over 4, and then Tesha will fail, that is 2 on 3. Or probability that Auku will not pass, that is 1 on 2, and then if Former 2 will not pass, that is 1 on 4, and then Tesha will pass, that is what? The x 1 on 3. So this is the probability that only one of them is going to pass the interview. Only one. Okay. So 1 on 2 times 1 over 4 times 2 on 3. And that will give us 1 on 12 plus 1 on 2 times 3 on 4 times 2 on 3. That is 1 on 4 plus 1 on 2 times 1 on 4 times 1 on 3. That is 1 on 24. So let's add all. So 1 on 12 plus 1 on 4 plus 1 on 24. Okay, and that will give us 3 on 8. Okay, so this is the probability that only one of them will pass. Only one of them, 3 on 8. Either Oku will pass and the other two will fail. Ifoma will pass and the other two will fail. Or Tasha will pass and the other two will fail. And this is our answer. Okay, I know this is not difficult and it's so simple. I will see you again in our next lesson. Bye bye.